Thanks for tuning in to SimplyNAS Media. My name is Sam, and today we're going to cover a features and buyer's guide for the QNAP ES1640dc version 2. Now this is the second revision of the ES1640dc, so without further ado, let's dive into taking a look at some of the features of this unit. This machine comes equipped with dual controllers, or two separate motherboards. Now the way this works is should one of these modules either update or for any reason fail, the opposite module or controller actually takes over. This keeps downtime to a minimum while also allowing for business continuity to stay at a maximum. Now this particular system works really well for businesses that are looking to store a lot of data while adding extra redundancy to their infrastructure to keep their data secure. Now because this machine does have dual controllers, each controller acts as its own machine, so it has its own processor and its own RAM. Now the machines come with the Intel E5-2400 V2 processor, capable of up to 2.2 gigahertz, as well as 32 gigs of RAM with a 16 gig write cache RAM as well. And this machine comes equipped with 4 10 gig SFP Plus ports, as well as 2 RJ45 ports. And this is a SAS machine, so it would only be able to accept SAS drives, whether that be a SAS SSD or a SAS HDD. Would not be able to work with SATA drives, unfortunately. Another great feature of this unit is the NVRAM with copy to flash. Now how this works is with the battery backups connected to the system, if you were to lose power, the physical cache RAM, the 16 gigabytes, actually backs up the information to the 2 pre-installed M.2s that are in this machine. Now what this will do is basically allow the system enough time to power down, save that information, and keep the system from losing its write cache ability. This helps to reduce the risk of losing the write cache data. Now that we've covered a lot of the features of the unit, let's discuss sort of a buyer's guide, if you will, of different scenarios that you would actually find this unit used. Now the QNAP ES1640dc is very well equipped to handle different scenarios where a lot of information needs to be stored and accessed very quickly and very easily. And with the dual controllers, the system adds much more redundancy to your infrastructure, because this way, should something happen, the unforeseen, you do have the capability where the system will basically take over for a failed controller. So if one of these were to go out, the other one would automatically take over, keeping your business up and running, reducing downtime, and keeping it as business as usual. So we know this machine is able to store data, but what about virtualizations? The QNAP ES1640dc is very well equipped to handle your virtualization storage needs by being able to work with ESXi and Hyper-V server offloading. So this way, if you have a physical server for virtualizations on your network, you can then take the information from those machines and store it into the ES1640dc without having to take up all the valuable space on your virtualization servers. Well, that concludes this video on the QNAP ES1640dc features and buyer's guide. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at sales@simplynas.com or give us a call at 407-960-4690. If you like the video, go ahead and hit like. If you want to subscribe and stay up to date with the latest new videos we have coming out, go ahead and subscribe. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.